What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y75 5G. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.58-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it comes in 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has 90.6 screen to body ratio. As for performance, it comes with Dimensity 700 processor with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and it has extended RAM of 4GB. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charger. As for audio, there is single speaker at the bottom. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 75% and there is AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 25 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 28 degrees, on the bottom it is 29 degrees, on the back it is 28 degrees and on the bottom it is 28 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Swipe from the edge to access Game Assistant, and from here you can change performance modes, you can block calls, notifications, take screenshot, record the screen, and you get more options for better gaming experience. HD graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are great, colors look vivid, and the details are also great. Controlling is pretty good, and I couldn't notice any lag. It has sleek body and it is light in weight. Now it's been 17 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 35 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees, on the back it is 34 to 35 degrees, and on the bottom it is 34 degrees. It's been total of 18 minutes and the battery came down to 73%. So for approximately 17 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 2% of battery, which is great. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 24 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 38 to 40 degrees. On the bottom it is 35 degrees. On the back it is 37 to 39 degrees. And on the bottom it is 35 degrees. Phone feels slightly warm. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 262 photos in those 3 minutes, and that is good. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y75 5G. It has good visuals and good performance, and it is pretty sleek to hold and it feels light in hand. Overall it is nice for gaming. So what do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.